Hi guys, welcome back to the series of UX videos. In today's video, we will be talking about UX research methods, some of the planning tools that I used when conducting a UX research. But before we get into this video, I would just like to remind you guys that in the past couple of videos we said that before you start designing your system, you need to make sure that you know your users very well. You need to engage with your users. You need to make sure that your users are included in the design process throughout the entire design process when you're designing whatever system that you're designing for your users. And the way you do that through conducting a research. So this video will cover some of those research methods and some of the planning tools that UX designers use to make sure that they're engaging with their users throughout the design process. So there are two types of UX research methods. Please bear in mind that I said research methods and not research tools or planning tools. Two UX research methods, and those are quantitative research method and qualitative research method. So please just bear in mind that these two, qualitative and quantitative, are UX research methods, not UX research tools or UX research planning tools. UX research methods. The first UX research method that we've just mentioned is the quantitative research method. With the quantitative research method, we basically just look at what our users are doing, what are the users doing at a particular point in time. So for example, we may say that 90% of South Africans are engaging in social distancing, and then that's it. We don't know why they are social distancing. We don't know any reason behind that statement. Just given that statement, just to be precise, given that statement, 90% of South Africans are engaging in social distancing, and then that's it. That's basically just telling us what the users are doing at a particular point in time. Or maybe we may say that 100% of South Africans sanitize their hands before entering a building, for example. So that statement also is just telling us what the users are doing at a particular point in time. We don't know why they are sanitizing. We don't know why they are social distancing. But as we move on to the qualitative research method, this is where we try to find we try to understand the motivations and the attitudes behind the users' behaviors. So we try to understand the why behind their behaviors. So why are South Africans social distancing? Why are they sanitizing their hands? So obviously we do know that let's say 100% of South Africans sanitize their hands before entering the building to limit the spread of the pandemic, to limit the spread of coronavirus, obviously. So we understand the motivations behind why they sanitize their hands, why they are social distancing to limit the spread of COVID-19. So quantitative research looks at the what exactly it is that the users are doing at a particular point in time, while the qualitative research looks at the why are the users behaving the way they are behaving, what are their motivations behind those behaviors, what are their attitudes behind those behaviors. So we'll end this video here, the UX research method here, and then in the next video we'll try to get deeper into some of the research tools that fall under qualitative and quantitative research methods. But for now, just remember that the quantitative research method looks at the what are the users doing at a particular point in time, while the qualitative research method looks at the why, what are the motivations and behaviors behind the users, what are the motivations and attitudes behind the users' behaviors. So I hope this video was very helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe.